then which country would remain the most powerful? Imagine, one night, the whole world is asleep. Suddenly, air raid sirens start echoing across the sky. Thousands of fighter jets appear on radar. Nuclear submarines emerge from beneath the ocean. And within just a few seconds, one country could completely change the map of the world. In today's video, we'll explore the 10 most powerful military forces in the world. Which country has the deadliest tanks? Whose air force can shake the entire planet? Which missiles can destroy targets thousands of kilometers away within minutes? Which drone technology is changing the future of warfare? And who possesses enough nuclear power to destroy the world? But the country ranked number 1 is so powerful that they could launch attacks anywhere in the world within just a few hours. Watch till the end, because at the end, we'll reveal the terrifying comparison between USA versus Russia versus China, how military power is measured. A country does not become powerful just because it has more soldiers. A nation's military strength depends on the number of active troops, these modern tanks, fighter jets, aircraft carriers, submarines, drone technology, cyber warfare capability, nuclear weapons, and the ability to launch rapid attacks during war. In today's ranking, we'll combine all these factors to find out which country truly has the most terrifying military power. At number 10, Italy. Many people think of Italy as just a country of football and tourism, but its military power plays a major role in Europe. Active soldiers, around 170,000. Tanks, 200 plus. Fighter aircraft, 800 plus. Navy, modern frigates and submarines. Drones. Advanced surveillance technology. Italy's greatest strength is its navy. They hold major influence in the Mediterranean Sea, and as an important member of NATO, they receive support from the United States and other European powers during wartime. Number 9, South Korea, a country that is always prepared for war, because right beside them is North Korea. Soldiers, 500,000 plus. Tanks, 2,500 plus. Aircraft, 1 to 500 plus. Drones, AI-powered technology. Missile defense system, extremely advanced. South Korea's K-2 Black Panther is considered one of the most advanced tanks in the world. And their air force includes the F-35 stealth fighter. This fighter jet is nearly invisible to radar.
Number 8, Turkey. One country that has rapidly improved its military in recent years is Turkey. Soldiers 400,000 plus. Tanks 2,200 plus. Aircraft 1,000 plus. Drones Bayraktar TB2. Turkey's Bayraktar drones shocked the entire world. These drones can destroy tanks on the battlefield, destroy enemy bases, and even launch attacks in complete darkness. Many experts believe the wars of the future will be fought using drones, and Turkey is becoming one of the leaders of that future. Number 7, Japan. After World War II, Japan became a peaceful nation. But today, its technology-based military power is terrifying. Fighter aircraft 1,400 plus. Submarines extremely advanced. Destroyers powerful. Missile defense system advanced. Japan's greatest strength is technology. Its radar systems, AI warfare technology, and naval defense are among the best in the world. Due to threats from China and North Korea, Japan is rapidly strengthening its military forces. Number 6, United Kingdom. At one time, the British Empire ruled much of the world. Even today, the United Kingdom possesses a terrifying military force. Nuclear submarines, aircraft carriers, 200 plus nuclear weapons, SAS Special Forces. The SAS is considered one of the deadliest special forces units in the world. Their warships are capable of fighting in any ocean across the globe. Number 5, India. India is currently one of the world's largest military powers. Soldiers, 1.4 million plus. Tanks, 4,500 plus. Aircraft, 2,200 plus. Aircraft carrier, nuclear weapons, 160 plus. India's greatest strength is its massive army. They possess Russia's S-400 missile system, Rafale fighter jets, BrahMos supersonic missiles. The BrahMos missile moves so fast that enemy radar often cannot react in time. Number 4, France. France is not just the country of fashion. It is also one of Europe's major nuclear powers. Rafale fighter jets, nuclear submarines, aircraft carrier, nuclear weapons 300 plus. France's Rafale fighter jet is among the most advanced combat aircraft in the world. France also has enormous military influence across Africa and the Middle East. Number 3, China. China, the fastest growing military power in the world. Active soldiers, 2 million. Tanks, 5,000 to plus. Fighter aircraft, 3,200 plus. Navy, the largest in the world. Drones, thousands. Hypersonic missiles. The most terrifying thing about China is They are developing new technologies every single day. Their aircraft carrier fleet is expanding rapidly. Their AI drones could completely change future warfare. Number 2, Russia, one of the world's most terrifying nuclear superpowers. Tanks 13,000 plus. Fighter aircraft 4,000 plus. Nuclear weapons around 6,000. Hypersonic missiles, S-400 air defense systems. Russia's Satan II missile could destroy an entire country. And Russia possesses the largest number of tanks in the world. Number 1, United States. And the world's most powerful military force is the United States. Fighter aircraft 13,000 plus. Aircraft carriers 11 plus. Nuclear submarines F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning, Predator drones. Nuclear weapons 5,500 plus. America's biggest strength is it can launch military attacks anywhere on Earth within just a few hours. Its stealth aircraft are nearly invisible to radar. Its aircraft carriers are like floating cities. Final comparison. Most tanks, Russia. Most aircraft, United States. Largest navy, China. Most advanced technology, United States. Most terrifying missiles, Russia. Fastest military growth, China. If World War III begins, which country do you think would emerge as the strongest? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And for more terrifying unknown facts, stay connected with us.